What's going on, everyone? You're welcome to David Data Channel once again, where we talk about data science, productivity, and faith. And on today's video, we're going to be talking about the CTEs, Common Table Expression, as part of our SQL Advanced Tutorial series. Just in case you are just coming up, we've done the beginners, the intermediate, and now we're on the advanced. So please do well to check the playlist on the link above. Alright, so let's hit the ground rolling. I'm going to take my face off right now and so we can view my screen fully. Okay, so what are CTEs, or common table expressions? CTEs are named temporary results that exist only within the execution scope of a single SQL statement. It is not stored as an object, it just lasts only during the execution of that query. And then one thing I love about CTEs is that it makes your code more readable and usable. Last one we talked about subqueries, and I mentioned that I really often don't use subqueries. I rather use CTEs personally because it makes my code readable, makes it easy for me to understand what I wrote by the time I go back there. That sort of a thing. Yeah. So we're just gonna look at what CTEs are. Do one example or two examples, and then we're good to go. Okay. Yeah. So this is the syntax for CTEs. CTEs are also called the with clauses. With clause, because it starts with the with clause. So with CTE as, in here you have your query, your select or update or delete whatever query you have there, and then here you have select star or whatever you want from CTE. This is your normal CTE syntax, right? Your normal CTE syntax. Okay, let's just do something simple from our customers table. Let's do something simple. Let's say we want customers who only stay in the USA. Let's see, using CTE for that. So something quite simple. So let's say select, or rather with CTE as, so there's with CTE, your CTE name, it could be anything, as you open a bracket and you write your query inside the bracket. Select, let's say select customer name, state, let's do state as well, state, say from customers where country is equal to USC, and then we close our query, we close our bracket. So this query is within these CTEs, or what you would have if you're doing a query, if you're doing subquery, it will be like this query within a query, but then this CTE. And so this is our common table expression, our temporary table expression that we can refer or call back to using the name CTE or whatever name you call it. And so we'll say select customer name from CTE where state is New York. Let's say where state is New York, NY. Yeah. And then let's order by, let's add an order by clause. Let's order by customer name. Order by customer name. So let's run it all together. There's a mistake. You have an error. State from customers. What's the problem? Okay, star. Yeah, this should be state, not star. Okay, so let's see. What again? Okay, let me review. So this part ran very well. Okay, so the problem is from here. Select customer name from CTE where state is equal to New York. Yeah, perfect. So these are customers in USA, in New York. Yeah, using CTEs. Really interesting. Okay, so one of the problems we did with subqueries, we tried to get employees with offices located in USA. Employees with offices located in USA, right? This is the ERD of the database we are using. So let's try to do that with CTEs. Let's say want employees with offices in USA. So there are several ways you can approach it, but let's just start somehow. So let's get the employees. So let's say let's get everything from the employees table. With let's call it emp. With emp as select star from employees, a comma, and so let's call these offices as well. Offices, so there's a comma, and I'm writing under CTE again. Offices as select star from offices. My final CTE as so I'm going to do a drawing. So I want I want to return employees with offices in USA. So I'm going to return the first name, last name, and yeah, just first name, last name. Okay, select star from offices. So I'm going to filter by country. Where country is equal to USA. So let me run this and see. Okay, yeah. So these are offices in USA. So I've filtered by offices based in USA. So final as I want the first name and last name. Final as first name last name from emp e. So I'm going to add my alias here, e dot first name, because I'm getting first name and last name from employee table. E dot last name, inner join. I'm going to do an inner join to offices because I filtered offices to only USC O using what was the key connector? Office code, yeah, using office code. Alright, so this is my final CTE, and I close this bracket and I say select star from final. Let's run this and see what we've got. An error. Okay, so let's check all our CTEs one by one and see where. Yeah, so we're good. We have all the names of the employees with country in USA. So that's CTEs for you, and that's how they work. You can make some practice questions and try to use CTEs in your queries. They make your code readable. They even have they are better on performance compared to subqueries. So thanks guys, till we meet on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and also like this video, right, so it gets to the right people. Thank you so much.